Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you can't tell, I am extremely excited. I finally got my hands on the Olaplex Shampoo and Conditioner. Honestly, I felt like they should have made this stuff a long time ago. I think there was always confusion with the number 3. Is it a conditioner? Is it not? When do you use it? Blah, blah, blah. So now they finally have the Olaplex numbers 4 and 5, which are the shampoo and the conditioner. So let me just start by saying that basically it is called the Olaplex number 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo, repairs, strengthens, and hydrates all hair types. Conditioner repairs, strengthens, and hydrates all hair types. It does have the patented technology within the shampoo and the conditioner. So very similar to the number 3, although the number 3 obviously is just that. It is that patented technology that helps to rebuild the bonds in the hair. So this has some derivative of it in it. So that's kind of like the biggest perk, obviously. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you know that I do not have a license, so I am never able to like go and purchase this stuff at the discounted rate or purchase the actual system, which if you've actually looked for the Olaplex system, you know that you can only purchase it as a professional stylist. Luckily, I do have a friend who was able to get her hands on it for me, and that's how I was able to purchase the system. I did get the travel kit, which is significantly cheaper than the actual like whole kit. So that's what I have been using, but it did last me for a while. It shouldn't have lasted me for a while. I actually wasn't doing it as much as I should have. So it shouldn't have lasted me for as long as it did, but what can I do? So anyways, so I have been privy to use the entire system. I did purchase the number 3 on my own. That was the first thing that I used. I have videos on all this stuff, and I'll just go ahead and link them so that you guys can see the different, I guess, processes for how this stuff works. But basically I purchased the number 3. You can find the number 3 on the Olaplex website. You can also, a lot of people have found it on different websites. I just felt more comfortable going through Olaplex. If I was gonna spend $27 on the product, like I needed it to be real. I understand finding it for cheaper on other sites, but at that point you're kind of like questioning whether or not it's real. I talk about that in the video that I'm gonna link up here. But nonetheless, they finally made the shampoo and the conditioner. One of the most important things I wanted to point out was I looked at the ingredients and I've kind of compared the ingredients. The second ingredient in the Olaplex number 3, this is the one that is open to the public to purchase. You do not have to have a license to purchase it. The second ingredient, which means it's gonna be the most powerful. Listen, I don't know if this is the active ingredient that helps to rebuild the bonds, but it is listed in the ingredients in the shampoo and conditioner. It's like the 8th or 9th ingredient because this is still a shampoo and conditioner, but it is in there. So that's what made me kind of excited. Again, I'm not the scientist. I don't know if that's the same exact ingredient that actually rebuilds the bonds, but I'm gonna say that I'm gonna assume that the product that's listed earlier on is probably the most active. But don't quote me on that. So, need to say no more. Basically, it's a shampoo and conditioner. On the packaging, they do mention the number 3, so they say that it can be used. It literally says here, use every time you shampoo or after rinsing Olaplex number 3 hair perfector from hair. So after you add the Olaplex number 3 to your hair, this could be your, you know, regular shampoo and conditioner that you use with it, or just use this stuff separately. You don't have to use the number 3 with it. Yeah, so this is one of the coolest things. I'm just so excited about it. Another thing to mention is it does say that it is made without sulfates, parabens, or gluten. It's vegan and color safe. So it's really important for me to call out here. It does say formulated with patented Olaplex bond rebuilding chemistry, restores, repairs, and hydrates to add incredible shine and manageability every time you shampoo using the Olaplex 3, 4, 5 system. Again, this is just the 4 and the 5. So they include the number 3, could be marketing, or it could be you do need all of these items. However, the number 3 was alone before, so I don't see why you would all of a sudden need this. So I'm not saying that you have to get all 3. I have all 3, but this I think is kind of a cool thing to have in your regular routine if you're not interested in buying the small 3-ounce bottle of a little bit over 3 ounces of the number 3, Or if you're not ready to dish out a certain amount of money for the travel system, or a huge chunk of money for the entire system that they sell with 1 and 2. So anyways, I did go ahead and wash my hair with the Olaplex. First things first is the shampoo. It feels very good, very, very, very thick. It didn't feel like watered down like a lot of shampoos do. It wasn't very drippy. The way that it comes out, you can just kind of tell it's a good product. It lathers nicely. It does work up a nice, you know, soapy edge to it, depending on the amount of water that you add to your hair. When I wash my hair, I typically try and shampoo mainly at the roots and not so much at the ends, because I don't want to strip away any extra oils in the oldest parts of my hair. But yeah, using this product in my hair, I felt a huge difference. It felt like a really good conditioner was in my hair, and I just washed it out, and that was impressive to me because most shampoos leave your hair feeling a little bit stripped and lacking moisture. So this definitely left my hair feeling, you know, stronger and full of moisture. Onto the conditioner. After I washed out the shampoo, this is the thickest, most like luscious, creamy conditioner I have ever used. It is very thick, and it just, you just feel like, oh yes, so I'm giving my hair a spa treatment. Like I'm giving my hair all of the love right now. So anyways, as you can see in the video that I'm gonna be adding, it is a very thick consistency and it feels amazing. And I have to say, I had to use kind of a lot of this stuff because it doesn't spread easily. Like most conditioners, I feel like you don't need to put it in every area of your hair. But with this, I felt like I needed to use a little bit more than I normally would. Could be due to the fact that it's a very thick consistency, and you know, it just a little doesn't go a long way, okay? So you're gonna have to use it. So just really loved it, and like before, this will likely become a regular part of my routine. I actually purchased 2 of these so that I could send them off to one of my viewers. I don't know if you've noticed, but I recently reached 10,000 subscribers and I'm so excited. And so to celebrate, I wanted to be able to get something that I feel like I will be using, so why wouldn't I give it to one of the lovely people that watch these videos? So let me just first start off by saying, I did want to get like the system, but let me just tell you, okay? Those systems are not cheap. And then I was just gonna get the number 3, but just comparing the prices, I feel like this was a better deal to give to someone because this is like double what the number 3 would be for someone. So I was like, well, let me just get the shampoo and conditioner because this is something that you can use more often. It's way more product. You know, the number 3 is just 3.3 ounces, and the shampoo and the conditioner are 8.5 ounces a piece. So I just felt like this was more bang for your buck to give to someone who watches my videos and has been kind of a loyal subscriber. So this is the giveaway, and I've never done one of these before, so bear with me. But basically, all you need to do is be subscribed to my channel, of course, and you want to go ahead and follow my Instagram, my With Love Lisa account, and it's just at @withlove_Lisa. I'll link it somewhere on here so you can see it. And then comment down below if you've tried any part of the Olaplex system, and if you haven't, that's okay too. Just say that you haven't tried it yet. That's pretty much it. Let me just tell you, you're going to love this stuff. I have to get the system again because I'm out of I'm out of all of the 1. I think all I have now is a little bit of the 2. I think, yeah, no, or vice versa, one or the other. Anyway, so I need to get the whole system again myself, but I'm gonna leave this giveaway open for until maybe Saturday. Ugh, I don't know how this works. I guess I should have thought some of this out first. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this giveaway open until Friday. On Friday, I'm going to create a video that I can upload on Saturday to announce the winner. I'm likely going to contact the winner first before I announce it. Before I announce it. So on Saturday, I'm gonna announce it. It will close on Friday, and then hopefully I can get it shipped out on Saturday too. So anyways, I am really excited to see who wins, and thank you all so much for subscribing to my channel. It's absolutely a joy making these videos. Like, it definitely makes me feel like I'm doing something for me. If this is your first time watching my video, I have a family, like, you know, I have 2 children, a fiance, like I have a whole life outside of this, and I work full time. So this is just a chance for me to kind of like create something that is just mine. It doesn't really have much to do with anyone else, and it's about hair mainly. So anyways, I hope you guys like this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and please join the giveaway, especially if you've been following me for a while. Like, there are people that I know have commented on every single video, and I want to be fair, so I'm gonna leave it open, you know, to everyone, but I just know that there are some people who have been watching me like from day one, and I just join the giveaway because I want you guys to win with someone who's been watching me for a while, not just the people who probably search giveaway on YouTube just to, I don't know, stock up on giveaway stuff, I guess. I don't know. Anyways, so that's it for this video. I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.